Hey, good morning. How you all doing? So, remember last week when I was troubleshooting the noises from my car? So I ordered a part, and it's turned out to be hopefully the sway bar link. So when I ordered them, I have when you change anything on suspension, you have to do them in pair. So I ordered two of them. So when the part came yesterday, and when you buy stuff, I buy a lot of stuff from Rock Roller. These guys, they pretty good in price, but their customer service return policies suck, really suck. But a lot of parts is like half the price when you go to one of those big store, local part store. But one of the things you need to know is when you order it on this particular, some vehicle they're the same on both sides, but this one for some reason is different part number. So it came. So you have to be careful and make sure you keep the receipt so you know which part go where, right? So like this one, it say TC3051 go to the left. So that way you don't make a mistake of this, you know, installing the wrong one and the wrong. So you do one at a time. See, like this one is 52. That's for the front right. So you gotta pay attention to stuff like that. But if you don't do it, have somebody else do it. But then another time, they might not pay attention and they just slap it on you. They look the same, but they're not. So anyway, let's go. Today I'm testing out that cheap camera that I bought for 150 bucks. It's gonna be a time lapse, so that way I have date and time on it, so you can see how long it actually takes to do this job. All right, let's go. So the job took about an hour to finish, from start to finish. If you didn't watch the video, it's about an hour. Unfortunately, it didn't fix the problem. I still had that same noise, but I will attach the little clip at the end of this. I think I know what it is. Since the engine mount is not the problem, the sway bar link bar is not the problem. Even though the link bar is, one of the boot that hold the grease seal in is, bad. I will attach a picture somewhere up here. And also, it's good to change them out. That bar move up and down a lot, like I told you before. Probably hundred or thousand of times. Every time your wheel move up and down, that bar move also. But I did I put my camera under the car and kind of move to kind of troubleshoot where the noise is. I think what that noise come from is the muffler, the pipe that go to the muffler in the back. Because when I bought this van, it had some issue with the catalytic converter, so I bought the converter. This car came from outside California, so I bought the one that was made for California, so it didn't fit correctly. So I had to have a muffler shop kind of customize, install it. So I guess when they install it, they didn't leave enough gap between the frame and that pipe. So every time if I brake really hard, you know how engine move back and forth. Once it died down and move back, and it will of course go back up, and then it will probably slam it. You will see what I mean as I move forward. Like more and more toward where the muffler, you can hear the sound louder and louder. The best way is to have two people, but kind of hard to try to go under the vehicle and watch that. So I think I know where that sound come from. But anyway, thank you for watching. If you like what you see and you get this far, please subscribe and click like if you like it. And if you think somebody else you can use this video to do maintenance on their car, most cars are pretty similar for that type of changing out the link bar, sway bar. All right, take care. I see you on the next video. Bye now. Well, watch the clip. That's a short clip of how I think where the sound come from. All right, bye. Take care.